Welcome to this tutorial on using QTrobot for students with autism and special needs education. There are multiple ways you can use QTrobot depending on your organizational structure and needs. In our previous video tutorials, we demonstrated how you can select educational activities on the spot from QTrobot's extensive list of activities covering essential skill areas such as social-emotional learning, speech and language development, and early cognitive and academic skills. These activities are accessible on your QTrobot Educator tablet, and you can easily identify the activity aligned with the student's learning goal and run them without pre-planning your session in advance. I also showed how you can create individualized education plans for each of your students using QTrobot's planner software, setting your students and team up for long-term success throughout the academic year. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ready-to-use, leveled curricula on QTrobot. These session plans are leveled and designed to save time on planning while still providing comprehensive, step-by-step educational content for your students. This approach ensures their continued growth and progress in their learning journey. To use these leveled curricula, first, go to the QTrobot online platform at qt.luxai.com. In the main navigation tab, you'll see a button labeled Curriculum. By clicking this button, you can access all the available curricula for QTrobot. Here, you'll find various curriculum levels for speech and communication, as well as a curriculum focused on emotional skills. These are two of the most commonly used skill areas on QTrobot, and our customers have seen tremendous success in using the robot to support development in these areas. Each curriculum is a pre-structured set of educational activities organized into a step-by-step plan. This allows you to easily create a long-term, individualized education plan for each student with just one click. Each curriculum comes with a detailed description that you can view by clicking on the curriculum link. Inside, you'll find a list of activities in the order they are practiced with the student. For example, QTrobot's educational curriculum on emotional skills covers a wide range of skills related to emotional development, such as emotion recognition and how to use calm-down strategies to regulate and manage emotions. Now, let's take a look at Level 4 of the Speech and Communication curriculum. Here, you'll see specific skills covered in receptive and expressive language. If these topics align with your students' developmental level and educational needs, this would be an ideal curriculum to enroll them in. To enroll a student, simply select their name from the Search tab. Once you've selected the student, press the Enroll button. This will assign the education plan to your student, and they'll be ready to start their educational journey with QTrobot. That's it. You've now successfully set up a step-by-step curriculum that will support your students' growth and learning with minimal planning effort. Now, as you can see, the activities are assigned to the student as part of their step-by-step learning plan. Each activity shows an indicator of usage and tracks the student's success over time. Initially, every activity is marked as not introduced since it hasn't been practiced with a student yet. However, once you start using the activities, you will see an indicator of the student's progress next to each one. For example, you can track whether the student has mastered a specific skill based on data collected from sessions focused on practicing that skill. Once an activity is marked as mastered, you can simply move on to the next activity on the list to practice a new skill with the student. Now, let me show you how to run these activities using the Educator tablet. On your Educator tablet, go to the student list and select the student you'd like to work with. Once you've selected the student, you'll see the curriculum they are enrolled in. You will also see the same list of activities that have been assigned to them. To begin, simply press the Run button next to the activity name, and you're ready to start the session with QTrobot and your student. That's it. You're now all set to guide your student through their individualized learning journey with QTrobot, step by step.